Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Nirav and I am gonna be your host for today's video. Guys, the Harry Potter universe is full with hidden clues and mysteries, so a lot of theories have been floating around the internet for years. Today I am gonna talk about, in my opinion, 5 of the most interesting Harry Potter theories. So, let's get started. Number 1. Everything was a dream. This theory might shatter the hearts of many Harry Potter fans. This theory suggests that all of the stuff that happened in the Harry Potter series was Harry's dream. This could be true because Harry was treated really badly at the Dursleys, so it can be understood. This could have led to him imagining about a place where he could have fun, could have real friends. Maybe he even had some mental illness. This is really sad, and I don't wanna talk about it anymore. So I'm gonna move on. Number 2. J.K. Rowling is Rita Skeeter. Well, this theory might take out the negativity from the previous theory, but this theory's possibility is much less. But it gives us some kind of pleasure. This theory suggests that Rita Skeeter was banned from the Wizarding World because of being an unregistered animagus. So to take revenge, she changed her name and wrote stories about the Wizarding World and sold it. The Ministry isn't interfering because it would take off their cover. Well, it isn't actually true, but I like to think that the Harry Potter universe is true. Number 3. Ron is Dumbledore. This is one of the most weird theory I ever heard. This theory suggests that Dumbledore is a time-traveling Ron from the future. This theory has some backup to it also, like Ron just wanted to help his friend Harry, and both Ron and Dumbledore like sweets. So this is a proof. And Dumbledore also had red hair when he was young. Well, there is lot of proof about it, but I think this isn't actually true. If this theory was true, then Ron knew when he was gonna die, or I should say Dumbledore knew when he was gonna die. And he should have known everything about the Horcruxes, but he actually doesn't know it before the fifth movie. So I think this theory is interesting, but not real. Number 4. George Weasley is Willy Wonka. Well, out of all the theories in this video, this theory has the most chance of being real in my opinion. This theory says that when the Wizarding War was finished, George could not live without his brother Fred because he had lots of memories with Fred in this world. So he used a time turner to go to another time and live there. He changed his looks and name to Willy Wonka. George also knows about candy very well, so the chocolate factory is no surprise. And Willy Wonka can listen quite well with one of his ears. And who took damage to one of their ear? George Weasley. And Wonka doesn't have things, half of the most of his things in his house, referring to that George is not full without his brother. I am really interested in this theory, and this theory's possibility is really high. Number 5. Dumbledore is death. Well, this theory fits in like a glove, but there are some missing links, but not much. We all know the story of the Purple brothers. Three brothers crossed a river by magic where they were meant to die. This angered Death, and he played a trick with the brothers. He gave them three rewards, each of them. Elder one was given to the elder brother, middle brother got the resurrection stone, and the younger brother got the invisibility cloak. So that means Death had all of the three things. And who else had all of the three things? Dumbledore. Well, you can say Harry also got all of these things, But listen to me. We are also gonna say who are the brothers. The eldest brother was Voldemort because he wanted power, and he wanted power, and he was killed like the eldest brother. The second brother is Severus Snape. Because he wanted his loved one back, and he also sacrificed his life. You can say because he didn't avoid his death. Nagini killed him very quickly. And the third brother is Harry Potter because he got the invisibility cloak and he didn't die. He died, but I think in a normal way. So that proves who are the brothers. And that leaves just one man who had all the three things. And that man is Dumbledore. Well, you can say he also died. Well, that's the missing link I was talking about earlier. So I think this has a lot of proof that this theory is real. Guys, my video is over. If you enjoyed it, please give a like and subscribe. For now, goodbye. See you next time.